In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can pre-upload the videos before publishing it on the Rednote app. So let's go ahead and start the video. First of all, open the Rednote app on your phone. Click on the profile icon on the bottom right-hand corner of the screen. Then click on Settings. After you do that, you can see General Settings. Go ahead and tap on General Settings, scroll all the way down, and you can see the pre-upload videos before publishing. So this will reduce the wait time for the video releases. So if you want to enable the pre-video uploads before the publishing, just go ahead and tap on it, and as soon as it turns red, you can see that it has now been enabled. So if you want to disable it now, it's quite easy as well. You can go to Home, you can click on the three lines and click on Settings, and it will take you to the same settings like you have went through to the profile. Go ahead and tap on General Settings, scroll a bit down, and you can disable the pre-upload videos before publishing anytime you want. I hope this video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more.